Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the password of Line Messenger. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change the passcode on Line Messenger. Maybe because you think that someone else has seen your password and now you think it is not safe, so you want to change it. Or maybe you think that your password isn't much secure and you want to change it. Or it could be any other reason for you to change your password on Line Messenger. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave the written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to make sure that you have already installed Line Messenger, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you are done with all that, just simply click on the icon of the app to open the Line Messenger. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app normally looks. At the top we have many options, at the middle and even at the bottom we have different options. So from all these options, what we have to do is that we have to click on the settings icon, which is in the top right side of the screen. You just have to simply tap onto that icon of the settings to get into the settings. And once you get into the settings, first you will see the title of settings at the top, and again you will see a bunch of different options. So from all these options we have this option, which is account. You could see, you just have to simply tap onto this option to get into it. Once you get into the account, first you will read the title and again you will see different options. So from all these options we have this third option, which is password. So if you want to change it, just simply tap on password and then we can set a new password. So first you have to enter the pin code that you have set for the mobile phone to get to the next step. So just simply add your pin code of the mobile. Once you get to this page, now what you have to do here is that you just have to simply enter your new password. And once you enter your new password, you have to enter it again at the below option so that it could confirm that you have entered the correct password. So add whatever password you want to add, make sure you enter a secure and good password. And once you enter it, and once you're done with the password, you just have to simply click on this green option, which is change password. This one, just simply tap onto this option and it will change your password. Now the password has been successfully changed, and whenever you open your account onto any other device or maybe on the same device, once you have deleted the app, it will ask you for the password, and there you have to make sure that you enter the correct password, or you also have to make sure that you always remember the password, because if you forget it, you might get it back but it will be a little hard. So you have to keep that in mind. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the password of the Line Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.